Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to prepare a task tracker. Okay, so I also did a video previously on how to prepare a project tracker, so do it to check it out on my channel. So let's dive into what we have today. So when you want to prepare a task tracker, after listing out the activities, we have the check mails and review schedules, different activities. Then you highlight all the columns on the status, the cells on the status column. Then you click on conditional formatting, then click on more rules, click on the icon set, then more rules. Then thereafter you click on this icon style, then you change the types to number, then the value we use 1 and 0. So let's input our icon and let's see the effects. Okay, now after want to calculate for the completed task. So it's a count if all these columns, all these cells, comma, is what is 1. So 1 means what's completed, while 0 is what incomplete. So divide by what? Then you count the number of activities. So when you have 50, 100 activities, you highlight all the cells that have the activities, then you hit the enter key and we have 27%. So now to get the incomplete task, you said 1 minus, you need to use the equals to. So we clean this off. Set equals to 1 minus then the completed cell. That will give you your incomplete task. So we have to now prepare our chart. So now let's use the Doughnut Chart for this. Okay, so let's insert the Doughnut Chart. It's gonna be nice. So we have to remove the ledger and the chart title. So now let's reduce the whole size of the donut to make our charts presentable. Let's make it 50. Okay, now it's 50. So now what we have to do, let's change the color from this blue side of the chart, donuts. Let's see if we have a nice color, lighter blue. Can I have a lighter blue? Okay, let's use the lighter blue. This blue is dark. Okay, no, this is too light. Let's get something more beautiful. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, quickly now we have to add a test box and link up the test box to the completed cell, so that we could have an interactive task tracker. Okay, so to import the test box, we have to do is go to insert, click on test. There'll be a drop down, click on test box. Thereafter you click on drag, then go to your formula bar, so equals to, then click on the cell that has completed value. So let's make that very bold and increase the size. Okay, it seems our task tracker is almost ready. Okay, So let's adjust that. Let's adjust this to this level. Then let's complete our status column and see the effect of it in the charts. So guys, how do you see this? So follow, like, and comment on any areas you want to talk on or explain more on. Okay, thank you.